Anybody tell me what this noise is, honestly. It's driving me crazy. It goes off when I turn the car off.